Did you know the wrong accessory can ruin your Galaxy Z Flip 7's beauty or even its battery life? In today's video, we're diving into the top 8 Spigen essentials that not only protect, but truly upgrade your phone. Welcome to the channel. Links to all picks are in the description. The number 8 product on our list is Spigen Nano Pop Case. Most users worry that protective cases dull the style of their phones, but this one flips the script literally. The moment you snap on this colorful yet rugged pick from the list of top accessories for the Z Flip 7, it feels like your phone just leveled up in personality and protection. The hybrid structure is smartly engineered, rigid enough to guard against drops, yet flexible enough for effortless installation, and has the opportunity to speed up better to Walt. That textured grip on the sides? Game changer. Especially if you've had those heart-stopping slips before. It wraps around the phone with confidence, offering scratch resistance and reinforced edges while still letting the fold mechanism function smoothly. Compared to plain clear cases, this one brings visual flair and real-world utility. If you love bold design that also works hard behind the scenes, this is a standout. But is it too bulky for minimalist fans? Let's explore that next. Number 7 is Spigen Ultra Hybrid Case. What if you could protect your phone without hiding its beauty? That's exactly what this transparent hero from our top accessories lineup achieves. It lets the phone's original design shine through with long-lasting clarity that resists yellowing, something most clear cases fail to do over time. But it's not just about looks. The hybrid frame and air cushion technology are built to handle real-life drops. What makes it stand out is the sliding hinge cover that's been stress-tested beyond belief. It's smooth, functional, and keeps the vulnerable folding area safe. Compared to other transparent options, this one adds smarter protection where it matters. It's ideal for those who want clean aesthetics with proven durability. But can this sleek clarity handle rugged use daily? Stick around to find out. Number 6 is Spigen Tough Armor Case. Ever seen a case that makes your phone feel indestructible yet surprisingly sleek? This one does exactly that, thanks to its renewed slim profile and that insanely satisfying hinge protection that's been tested over 100,000 times. It's part of a lineup of accessories built for those who want peace of mind without bulk. From the military-grade drop protection to the built-in kickstand for Netflix marathons, it just feels like a smart all-in-one solution. And yes, it's MagSafe ready too, which makes wireless charging seamless on the go. Compared to flimsier options, this one delivers a bold balance of safety and convenience. Ideal for daily commuters or clumsy hands, it's a serious upgrade for anyone who values durability, comfort, and real-world reliability. Number 5 is Spigen USB-C charger. Most people assume all chargers are the same until they try this. Small enough to vanish in your pocket, but powerful enough to pump out 30 watt via a single USB-C port, this charger brings peace of mind on the move. It's not just compact, it's GaN-powered, which means it runs cooler, charges faster, and won't fry your tech. Whether you're stacking it with other accessories from the same premium lineup or simply need a reliable daily charger, this one nails it. Dual port efficiency? Check. 15-point safety? Covered. It's a quiet essential you won't realize you need it until your old charger fails in the middle of a busy day. If convenience, safety, and smart size matter, this one truly earns its place in your kit. Number 4 is Spigen Arc Pack Power Bank. Running low on battery mid-trip is more than annoying, it's stressful. That's why this sleek 10,000 mAh lifesaver feels like a breath of relief. Designed to match the premium feel of your favorite accessories, it slips effortlessly into any pocket while offering serious backup power on the go. From charging your flip device at full speed to juicing up tablets, gaming gear, or earbuds, its wide compatibility covers it all. The edges feel refined, the build screams durability, and it doesn't bulk up your everyday carry. It pairs perfectly with other essentials from the same trusted lineup, giving a sense of visual unity and real-world utility. It's not just another battery brick, it's a thoughtful, stylish upgrade you'll be grateful to have when your phone dips to 5%. The third one on our list is Spigen Wireless Charger. It's hard to believe wireless charging can be this smooth until you try this ultra-refined 15-watt pad built specifically for Galaxy users. From the moment you drop your phone on it, there's no guesswork. Just a quiet glow that says we've got you. Whether you're binging a show or catching up on emails, its stand and pad flexibility fits your lifestyle perfectly. It works seamlessly with your favorite protective cases, so there's no need to strip your phone naked every time. When paired with other accessories in the same trusted lineup, it delivers a complete no-compromise ecosystem that feels purpose-built. If you want faster charging without clutter, this one's worth every penny. Especially for those tired of tangled cables and slow speeds, this brings freedom with style. Number 2 is Spigen car charger. Ever been on the road with a dying phone and a passenger battling for the only charger? This compact dual-port 65-watt unit erases that stress in seconds. With one port delivering up to 45 watt and the other handling 20 watt, you can fast-charge your laptop and your phone simultaneously. It's sleek, tiny, and tucks in perfectly without blocking your dashboard. Unlike bulky alternatives, it blends seamlessly with your car's interior and pairs flawlessly with other daily drivers from the same trusted gear lineup. Built-in safety tech ensures you're not trading power for risk, and that's exactly what makes it feel smart. If you're curating a reliable setup with accessories that truly matter on the move, this one quietly becomes essential. No clutter, no compromise, just fast, safe, real-world power. Now moving to the last one is Spigen Screen Protector. Scratches may seem small until one ruins your day on a brand new foldable. That's where this ultra-thin screen protector steps in like a silent bodyguard. With 9H hardness and flawless edge-to-edge clarity, it feels invisible yet incredibly tough. If you're already investing in trusted gear from this lineup, this adds a final layer of peace. The real magic? It fits perfectly alongside their cases without lifting or bubbling, something budget options often fail at. You're not just preserving a screen, you're preserving the entire feel of your daily swipe, scroll, and fold. Installation is smooth, alignment is spot on, and the result? Pure confidence every time you open your phone. For anyone curating a complete setup, this layer is the finishing touch that shouldn't be skipped. So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best Galaxy Z Flip 7 Spigen cases and accessories. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.